In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Chrome your default browser. By the end of this quick walkthrough, any links you click, whether from email, documents, or chat, will open in Chrome automatically, which keeps your browsing consistent and your settings, extensions, and passwords right where you expect them. Start in Chrome, look to the top right corner and click the three dots, often called the More menu. This opens Chrome's main menu. From there, click Settings. Chrome will open a new tab with your settings, and you'll be working from this tab for the rest of the process. Inside Settings, find and select Default Browser. You'll see it in the left sidebar. If your window is narrow and you don't see the sidebar, expand the menu to reveal it. The Default Browser page shows whether Chrome is already set, and it provides a button to change it if not. Click Set Default. At this point, Chrome hands the change over to your computer's system settings. A prompt or a system window will appear asking you to confirm. When you see that, click Set Default again, or choose Google Chrome from the list and confirm. This second confirmation comes from your operating system, so the wording may vary slightly, but the action is the same. Approve Chrome as the default browser. Once you've confirmed, close the system window if it doesn't close on its own, and return to the Chrome Settings tab you already had open. To make sure the change is registered in Chrome's view, refresh the tab. You can click the reload icon next to the address bar, or use a shortcut like Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on a Mac. After the refresh, the page should update to say that Google Chrome is your default browser. That confirmation means you're all set. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If the Set Default button is grayed out, that usually means Chrome is already your default. If you're using a work or school device, this option might be managed by your administrator, and you may need to contact them to change it. If no system prompt appears after clicking Set Default, try updating Chrome, then repeat the steps. And if links still open elsewhere, a quick restart of your computer can help the setting take effect system-wide. That's it. You've made Chrome your default browser, and your web experience will now stay consistent wherever you click.